HOA hates his bird feeder, he fought back. My mate put up a bird feeder, but the HOA called it a nuisance. It's just birds, and their reasons wild. True story, let's jump in. Living in Bluebell Estates 2 years. Hung a small bird feeder, squirrel-proof, loved by sparrows. Then, last week, this takedown notice hits. They claim it draws too many critters. It's just birds. Bylaws? No feeder ban. Board member Phil pushed this, says it messes up his lawn. Check Phil's yard overrun with molehills. But my mate's feeder's the issue? He called him out at the community picnic. Phil said, birds are pests. Total rubbish. Neighbors fought back, hung their own feeders in protest. The street turned into a bird paradise. News covered it, shaming the HOA into dropping the fine. HOA thought they could ban his birds? Big mistake. Got an HOA horror? Comment below, I read them all. Smash like if you're Team Feeder, subscribe for more wild tales. These birds keep chirping.